So thanks for checking out my video. I'm going to show you how to create a despawner in Unity with no code using Playmaker. Let's get started. First thing we need to do is create a 3D object. We'll create a cube. This will be the despawning plane that the object will go into and despawn when it collides. We have to make it large enough for multiple objects to go through. Next thing we'll do is create a sphere. The sphere is what's going to collide into the despawner and be despawned. Okay, so we have to add a rigid body to the sphere and change the tag to player to match the tag in the trigger event we will set up. The rigid body is used for the trigger event. Next, we'll create an empty game object. That game object will host the Playmaker script. We also need to set the cube as a trigger. So for the first state, we'll add a trigger event. So we need to set it as a specific game object. That game object will be the cube. We need to set the collider tag to player since that's what we named the sphere as. We need a send event to finish it, and we're going to save this as a variable so we know which specific object interacts with the despawner. Next, we'll create a second state. We need to connect those. Second state will be the destroy object. We'll loop it back. So for the destroy object, we will use the variable that we saved earlier to get the specific object, and it's that simple. Now I'll create a few extra spheres, copy them and move them over. This will just show how you can use this simple script for multiple objects. So as you see, when you drag the sphere into the cube, they are destroyed. And we have a runaway sphere over here on the left. They all get deactivated because it is using the saved variable. It's that simple. So thanks for checking my video. If you like it, please like and subscribe and check out some of my other tutorials. Thanks.